How to create private stories on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can actually send your story only to few of your specific friends, or in short form how you can make a private story so that only some of the people that you're close to can view them. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now in order to upload a private story, you have to go ahead and then open up the Snapchat application. Make sure you sign into your account and you will see this kind of interface. Tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and here you'll find a section called My Stories. Now normally when you add some specific things to your story, all of the people who are friends with you on Snapchat will be able to view it. But assuming that you only want to limit that to a specific number of people, in that case you can tap on the New Story tab on the right hand side of the screen, and at the bottom you'll find the option called New Private Story, and all you have to do is tap on the New Private Story button. Here you can simply add some of the people to your private story, and once you do so, just tap on the Create Story button. You can also name it anything you want. I'm just going to leave it as my name and private story, so just tap on the Save button. Now once you do that, you can add things to this story such as videos, the snaps you've actually clicked, and so on. So just tap on the Add to Private Story button. Here you can just choose and select the snap, or else you can also simply choose any of the videos or anything that you want to add. After that you can save this if you want, or send this to your private story, and people only whom you've selected in your private story will be able to view it. If you'd like to delete this private story section, then you can basically come back as well, tap on the three dots, choose the option called Delete Story. That's all it takes to create private stories on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.